Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about the Samsung S23 Ultra. It's the latest addition to Samsung's smartphone lineup and comes packed with some amazing features. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First, let's talk about the design of the phone. The Samsung S23 Ultra has a sleek and modern design, with a 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED display that curves around the edges. The phone is available in two colors: Phantom Black and Phantom Silver. It also has an IP68 rating, which means it's dust and water resistant. Moving on to the camera. The Samsung S23 Ultra has a quad camera setup at the back, with a 200MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens, a 10MP periscope telephoto lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens. It also has a 40MP front-facing camera, making it perfect for all your selfie needs. The camera quality is exceptional and allows you to take stunning photos even in low-light conditions. When it comes to performance, the Samsung S23 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 888 chipset, coupled with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. It also supports 5G connectivity, making it future-proof. The phone runs on Samsung's One UI 3.1, which is based on Android 11 and provides a smooth and seamless experience. The Samsung S23 Ultra packs a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 45 watts fast charging, 15 watts wireless charging, and 5 watts reverse wireless charging. The battery life is impressive, and you can easily get through a day of heavy usage. To sum it up, the Samsung S23 Ultra is a premium smartphone that ticks all the right boxes. It has a stunning design, a top-of-the-line camera, powerful performance, and a long-lasting battery. If you're looking for a high-end smartphone, then the Samsung S23 Ultra should definitely be on your list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.